ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधी मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पेज नंबर 403। सामान्येन मिथ्यात्व श्रुति विचारः। सामान्येन means other shrutis also are supporting the mithyatva vichara, which was started using the anumanam. Siddhanti had done anumanam व्यावहारिक प्रपंचो मिथ्या दृश्यत्वात् शुक्ति रूप्यवत्. In this mithyatva anumanam, now shruti support is being shown. एतद अनुमानम एकमेवाद्वितीयम इत्यादि श्रुतिरपि अनुगृह्णाति. This anumanam is also supported by ekamaevadvitiyam, the shruti. Shruti is doing anugraha. In other words, shruti is supporting this anumanam. Shruti support is there. So first, other shrutis also will come. He starts with ekamevadvitiyam chandogya shruti. Now Purva Pakshi has objection. Nanu श्रुत्या स्वस्वरूप स्वप्रामाण्य स्वयोग्यतादेर मिथ्यात्वाबोधनेन प्रत्यक्षादि सिद्ध तत्सत्वोपजीवनेन च ब्रह्मेतर सकल मिथ्यात्वा सिद्धि ही. Purva Pakshi says your anumanam or shruti you are giving now. In that shruti I have objection. What is the objection? Shruti has its own swarupa, shruti swarupa. That shruti will have pramanyam. Pramanyam means pramatvam. And shruti will have yogyata because it is a shabda pramana. So swa, by swa you take shruti. Shrutya swaswarupa means shruti swarupa. Swapramanya means shruti pramanya. Swayogyata means shruti yogyata dehe. Mithyatva bodhanam is there or not? Purva Pakshi will ask Siddhanti. Are you understanding the statement? Yes, Shruti, when Shruti is negating something, Shruti says Vyavaharik Prapanch Mithya. As part of the Shruti, these three things are also there. Shruti Swarupa, Shruti Pramanya, Shruti Yogyata. They are also part of Vyavaharik Prapancha. if they are part of Vyavaharik Prapancha, they also have to be mithya. So if they all are mithya, then there will be problem, because what they are revealing will not be Satyam. And if they are not mithya, then entire Vyavaharik Prapancha is not mithya. So Purva Pakshi takes this second part. He says, Shrutya Swaswarupa Swapramanya Swayogyata Dehe. Shruti is not doing bodhanam of its own pramanya as mithya, its own swarupa as mithya, its own yogyata as mithya. Abodhanena, one. And then pratyakshadi siddha, pratyaksha pramana siddha, ghata pata ityadi. Their mithyatva also will not happen. Because pratyaksha shruti is upajivya. Shruti, when it is functioning, the mithyatva shruti, which says Jagat is mithya, ekameva dvitiyam, that shruti uses pratyaksha pramana, like shabda, etc. That pratyaksha pramana has already proved ghatadi are satyam. So, what is pratyaksha pramana satya? Pratyaksha pramana siddha. Tat sattva upajivanena. Taking support of that, Brahma itara sakala mithyatva asiddhihi. Other than Brahma, the entire Dvaita Prapancha is mithya. That you cannot prove, is asiddha. Now, he gives another argument. Sannipata lakshano vidhiranimitam tad vighatasya iti nyayena. Pratyakshadi siddha ghatadi mithyatva asiddhishcha. Sannipata lakshano vidhi animittam tad vighatasya. So this is given by Patanjali Maharshi, but not in Yoga Sutra. This is in Mahabhashya on Ashtadhyayi, in Vyakarana. This is the definition given. Sannipata lakshano vidhihi animittam tadvighatasya. So what is the meaning? Sannipata means sambandha, association. Lakshana means nimitta. And therefore, sannipato nimittam or sambandho nimittam yasya vidhehe tad vidhihi sannipata lakshana vidhihi. Vidhi means any vidhanam. Any vidhanam which uses something to establish itself, it will not negate that because of which it has established itself. तद विघातस्य, विघात मीन्स नाश, तद विघातस्य स्वनिमित्तभूत सन्निपातस्य विघातस्य अनिमित्तम. It will not do vighata, nasha, of that which is responsible for its own sannipata, means sambandha. So this is a technical way of saying that if I am sitting on a branch, then I will not cut that branch. That's all he wants to say. If I am taking support of something, I will not destroy it. So if Shabda Pramana is taking support of Pratyaksha Pramana, it cannot negate Pratyaksha Pramana. Now in this, the example of the Sannipata Lakshana Vidhir Animittam Vighatasya, when Siddhanti is going to refute this Purvapaksha, at that time we will see, either at the end of this session or in the next session. We will use the example from the Vyakarana. Iti nyayena pratyakshadi siddha ghatadi mithyatva asiddhischa. By this nyaya, pratyakshadi siddha ghatadi, ghata ityadi, they are established only because of pratyaksha pramana. So the Shruti will not do badha of pratyaksha, because pratyaksha pramana is the support of Shruti, and pratyaksha pramana has proved ghatadi. So now Siddhanti is taking up discussion, let us say. If Siddhanti says that this mithyatva bodhaka shruti, like ekameva dvitiyam, swaswarupa, swapramanya, swayogyata, they all are proved as mithya. So everything is mithya. Siddhanti would prefer that option, because if everything is mithya, then there is nothing remaining to be not mithya. So then Purvapakshi will say, see what he says. Yogyatadi mithyatva bodhane cha shrutyarthasya atatvikatvapattihi. If swaswarupa, swapramanya and swayogyata, if they are mithya, then the meaning that comes out from Shruti arthasya, that artha will be atatvika. That vakya which doesn't have pramanyam, what it reveals, it has no meaning. It will also be apramanika. So shrutyarthasya atatvikatvapattihi. Why Purvapakshi gives his reasoning. Shabda bodhyasya sabda tat pramanya yogyata dina samasattakatva niyamat. Shabda bodhya vastu, like Brahma, which is Shabdena bodhya, Shabda bodhya. Shabda tat pramanya yogyata dina. So Shabda swarupa, Shabda pramanya, Shabda yogyata, tena samasattakatva niyamat. What is bodhya, its satta, and the pramanya, yogyata, etc., their satta should be samana. So if pramanya, yogyata, etc. are mithya, then bodhya vastu ekameva dvitiyam brahma will also be mithya. Mithya means if they are vyavaharika, they all will be vyavaharika. If they all are pratibhasika, brahma will be pratibhasika. So if Siddhant, if Purvapakshi says, if Siddhanti says they all are vyavaharika, Purvapakshi says, okay, they all are vyavaharika, Brahma is also vyavaharika. Then don't say Brahma is paramarthika. So now Siddhanti will say, what you have said, this samasattakatva, your vyapti in this is yatra yatra shabdatvam tatra tatra swaswarupadi samana sattaka arthabodhakatvam. This is your vyapti. Yatra yatra shabdatvam, wherever shabdatva is there, tatra tatra swaswarupadi samana sattaka arthabodhakatvam. Samana sattaka arthabodhakatvam will be there according to Purvapakshi. They will have samana satta. Siddhanti says in this vyapti there is vyabhichara. Where is the vyabhichara? See in the moolam. Nacha sadartha swapna devata vakya vyabhichara. So you have to understand. Siddhanti will say there is vyabhichara. Where in swapna devata vakya. Purvapakshi says there is no vyabhichara. So you have to understand all the internal dialogue that has already happened. And that is whole thing in Advaita Siddhi. You know, they will make one sentence and you are expected to think of what has happened in between. Like when you teach a child, you have to tell everything. When you tell mature student, or you like in universities also, when they study for the super advanced class, they don't tell everything. They just give some idea and then rest you have to study like that. So what is Swapna Devata Vakya first? In Swapna, let us say some Devata comes and tells me something that within 3 days, I will attain my Abhishta Vastu, whatever is very dear, cherished by me, or whatever I am thinking of seeking, I will get it. In Swapna. Then I wake up and in 3 days I get it. This is the Swapna Devata Vakya, Sadartha Swapna Devata Vakya. So Siddhanti is saying, in your Vyapti there is Vyabhichara, because in this Devata Vakya, Swapna Devata Vakya, Shabdatva is there. And that Shabda, Swarupa, Pramanya, Yogyata, all of them are Pratibhasik. But my Abhishta Siddhi is happening in Vyavaharik Jagat. Whatever was desired by me, which I get within 3 days, that is happening in Vyavaharik Jagat. That is not happening in Pratibhasik Jagat. So there is no Samasattaka Niyama, there is Vyabhichara. Vyapya is there, Vyapaka is not there. Shabdatva is there. But Samana Sattaka Artha Bodhakatvam is not there. So Vyabhichara, Purvapakshi says there is no Vyabhichara. Why there is no Vyabhichara? So he says, Aptatva Apaurushayatva Yogena Tasya Shabdatvena Pramanya Yogat. in this Vakya, Aptatva or Apaurushayatva, if it is there, then it is different. But this Swapna Devata Vakya doesn't have Aptokti, doesn't have Apaurushayatvam, and therefore it is not Pramanam, according to Purvapaksha. Because for Pramanya, you need two things, either Aptokti or Apaurushayatvam. This doesn't have any, means either. So then what is there? Tasya Shabdatvena Pramanya Ayoga. Therefore, it does not have Shabdatvena Pramanya. Kintu Upashruti Upashrutivat Tadrisha Shabda Jnanam Lingatvena Pramanam iti chet. Upashruti. It is Upashruti. Upashrutivat Tadrisha Shabda Jnanam. That Shabda Jnanam is Lingatvena Pramanam. It is used in Anumanam. So, for example, he says Upashruti. What is Upashruti? You see in that Hindi Tika, in the second line itself, it is given. Bhavishya Suchaka Anyarthaka Shabda is called Upashruti. Something which will tell you about your future. So there is a shloka, Naktam Nirgatya Yat Kinchit Shubha Shubhakaram Vachaha Shruyate Tadvadur Dhira Deva Prashnam Upashritam. Tadvidur Dhira. Shruyate Tadvidur Dhira Deva Prashnam Upashritam. Upashrutim. Naktam Nirgatyam. Naktam means in the night. When you go out, and there are people who are talking there, in them there could be someone who is like an angel, Devata. Or just listening to something, you will understand what you have to do. And some pointer will come from there. So, Naktam Nirgatya, Yat Kinchit Shubha Shubhakaram Vachaha Shruyate. Something which is Shubhakaram or Ashubhakaram, you will hear, and it will tell you this is what is going to happen. Tad Viduhu Dhiraha Deva Prashnam Upashrutim. Dhiraha, they call that as Upashrutim. Deva Prashnam. Deva Prashnam, this whatever question that they have is as if you are asking, and some answer hint you are getting from their discussion or some divine indication. So sometimes they say, this is a different thing, okay? I'll just tell you, but here they have given some example from Mahabharata, Udyoga Parva, that there is some Devi called Upashruti. And with the help of that, Indrani knew where Indra is hidden after getting defeated from Asura, etc. And in some other story also they have given Kadambari. So this Upashruti is mentioned in other places also. The animals, they have some sense. In particular dog, if some accident is going to happen, they will know few seconds before. Like if you are sitting somewhere and something is going to collapse right on you, top of you, they will pull you out. They will start barking. So some indication they get, but that is not relevant here directly. But this Upashruti, like that, Devatas, they will give some message and a person can follow. Lingatvena pramanam. So he says this shabda is anumapakam. It is used in the anumanam. It will become hetu. Iti chet. So they don't have shabdatvena pramanam. According to Purvapakshi, they will have anumana hetutvena pramanam. Because that devata doesn't have aptatva or apaurushayatva. And therefore, samana sattakatva will be there according to Purvapakshi. There is no vyabhichara. Up to this is Purvapaksha. Now Siddhanti. Iti chetna. Nirdosha shabdatvena tasya shabda vidhaya eva pramanya sambhavat. For pramanya, what you need is dosha rahitya. So devata aptavakya, if it doesn't have dosha, it is pramanam. They have given some reference. So this is actually, there is a text, they record in bracket, they have given Sankhya Tattva Kaumudi. Santa Kau is given. Apta Prapta Yukteti Yavat Apta Chasau Shrutischeti Apta Shrutihi. This is Vachaspati Mishra who has commented on Sankhya Tattva Kaumudi. But the actual Karika in Sankhya Tattva Kaumudi is Prati Vishayadhyavasayo Drishtam Trividham Anumanam Akyatam Tallinga Lingi Purvakam Apta Shrutir Apta Vachanam. This is the Sankhya Tattva Kaumudi Karika number 5. In answer to that or explaining that, Vachaspati Mishra ji has given that thing. What is this? What is he saying here? Apta artha means apta or prapta artha is where there is no dosha. Nirdushta vakya will become pramanam, whether it is paurushaya or apaurushaya. And he says, aptatva or apaurushayatva will prove that shabda is nirdushta. There is no dosha in it. Pramanya, how will you prove pramanyam? According to Vedanta, pramanyam is swataha or parataha?
Swataha.
Swatah pramanyam when there is then how will you recognize if the padartha is, if the pramanyam is incorrect, means it is not prama, it is brahma, how will you know? If pramanyam is swataha, whenever I see the vishaya, in that pramanyam also will be there. So how will I prove when there is no prama, it is brahma? Swatah pramanyam means whatever I see is that jnanam of the vastu, and in that pramanyam, both are recognized together. Then how will I know it is no prama, it is brahma?
Till it is badhit by a prabal praman.
Correct. If it gets badhita later, then it is not prama. Unless it gets badhita, up to that point, it is prama only. So this in Vedanta Paribhasha, we have covered this. So if it is nirdosha shabdatvena tasya shabda vidhaya eva pramanya sambhavat. Because it is a nirdosha shabda vidhaya pramanyam, not anumapakam, becoming hetu, linga for anumanam, not that way. If the shabda is nirdushta, shabda pramanam. आप्तत्व अपौरुषेयत्वयोर दोषाभाव एव उपक्षयात. When we say something is aptavakya, something is apaurushaya vakya, what do we imply by that? We imply that there is no dosha in this vakya. So, a vakya, because it is aptavakya, therefore it is pramanam. Vakya is apaurushaya, therefore it is pramanam, is not true. Because Vakya doesn't have dosha, therefore it is called Apta Vakya. Because it doesn't have dosha, therefore it is Pramana. So Aptatva Apaurushayatvayoho dosha bhave eva upakshayat. Its upakshaya is in dosha abhava. And this vyaptyadi upasthiti kalpane gauravat. Vyaptyadi upasthiti that you are saying, it is not Shabda Pramana. We are going to use Vyapti. It will become Anumapaka. In that, there is Gaurav Dosha. And this Swapna Devata, his Vakya in Swapna is Pramanam. Purvapakshi said, it is not Apaurushaya. It is not Apta Purusha. Therefore, it is Apramana. Siddhanti says it can be Pramanam. As long as what he said, you see that in the Jagrata Avastha. In Vyavaharik Prapancha, you see the result. Therefore, his Vakya is Pramanam. His Vakya will have Pramanya. So, this is called Avisamvadi Arthabodhakam. There is no Visamvada. It is Avisamvadi. Vaktuhu kalpitatve api tadgata doshasya artha samvadena kalpaitum ashakyatvacha. And also, Vaktuhu kalpitatve api. Even if Vakta is kalpita, because that Devata is having pratibhasika satta, kalpitatve api, तद्गत दोषस्य अर्थ संवादेन कल्पयितुम अशक्यत्वात्. But you cannot say that there is dosha in his vakya. So Swapna Devata is nirdushta, and therefore his vakya, even though it is pratibhasika, the artha that it conveys will have vyavaharik satyam, and therefore Purva Pakshi's vyapti, that they will have shabdadi samana sattakatvam, whatever is the satta of shabda swarupa, shabda pramanya, shabda yogyata, etc. Same satta will be of the artha, is that vyapti is vyabhicharita. Okay. And then now, two things I will just tell you that you have to come prepared in the next class. Parokshatva anityatwadi upadhi. So Purva Pakshi's anumanam will be there. Siddhanti will show upadhi in that one. Second, the Mahabhashya, Patanjali Maharshiji's, that portion is coming after one more line. Mahabhashya Ukta Nyaya. So, Shatam Shabda is there. Shatam Shabda, Pradhama Bahuvachan, Dvitiya Bahuvachan, etc. Shatam Shate, Shatani. Shatam Shate, Shatani. How that Shatani Shabda is formed, that you see the sutras, because all sutras will come in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.